Pfizer's vaccine is now ready to be reviewed by the FDA and is even more effective than previously reported. The first glimmer of hope in a pandemic that continues to rage out of control. And it is certainly the news everyone has been looking forward to.
Yeah, Pfizer announcing today it is prepared to submit its data in the coming days, and its final analysis finds the vaccine is 95% effective. Dr. Frank McGeorge here with an exclusive look inside this critical trial. Doc?
Yeah, Karen and Devin. So a member of our Local 4 family has actually been participating in this research. Local 4 assignment editor Matt Triplett says he wanted to do everything he could to help end this pandemic and get us back to a more normal life.
Well, here we are. Decided to participate in a COVID-19 vaccine study. This is a phase 3. It's with Pfizer and BioNTech. I, for one, am just tired of watching this virus give us all one big gut punch every day. Not nervous. I've done a little research, actually a lot of research. I've talked to several people I trust, and this is just the right thing to do.
While the world has watched and waited for a vaccine, Matt Triplett decided to help make it happen.
Well, I'm here for the third appointment for this Pfizer study on this COVID vaccine. Today, they're just going to be drawing some blood to see if those of us that might be getting the actual vaccine are building up antibodies to fight this thing off. So let's all hope for the best.
Pfizer's phase 3 COVID-19 vaccine trial has enrolled 45,000 people. For Matt, the motivation was personal.
I know 6 people that have died from it. Another 6 or 7 I know have gotten sick from it. I think if people haven't been affected within their circle, they don't see it as being a reality. And it's real. It's definitely real.
After researching the various trials, he signed up without hesitation.
I just felt we had to get something going. I mean, you got to get this whole thing moving forward. And I figured if I can help do that, then that's what you got to do.
He's been impressed by how the trial has been run.
You answer quite a few questions about your health. They want to make sure you're where you're at currently. Then they get you prepped up to where you're going to get your first shot. And it's just a simple thing like a going for a flu shot. They give you a needle in the arm and you sit around for 30 minutes afterwards to see if you have any immediate reactions. And you have an online app that you go through weekly. If you feel any symptoms whatsoever, you put those on this app, and then if it's serious enough, they either call you or text you or get in touch with you.
Matt still doesn't know if he received the actual vaccine or a placebo.
I didn't have any serious effects from this. I did get a slight headache. The one time I got some chills.
While the Pfizer vaccine has to be stored at negative 94 degrees Fahrenheit, Matt says no one leaves with a cold shoulder.
They take it and they put it in this, like an oven, I guess it is. They bring everything back up to a certain temperature. And then when they inject you, it's more of a room temperature type thing. So yeah, you don't feel ice water going into your veins or anything like that.
When he heard Pfizer announce the vaccine was over 90% effective, he was thrilled.
It's almost like an early Christmas present. And it's like, finally, there's some light at the end of the tunnel. It's not the train coming at us anymore. We're actually getting closer to the end now.
If the vaccine is given the green light from the FDA, Matt knows many people will still be anxious about getting a vaccine developed so quickly. His advice? Do your own homework and talk to experts you trust.
Ask the questions you need to ask to make yourself feel more comfortable with what you're doing, but don't be afraid of it.
Matt is glad he took the leap.
Yeah, being part of that's pretty cool. It's pretty cool to know you did something good.
Now, Pfizer says so far the trial has found no significant safety concerns, and they will continue to follow all of the trial volunteers for the next 2 years. And I just want to say, Matt Triplett, we are so proud of you and your part in helping out with this really critical research.
We all are, and it's no surprise that Matt is one of those guys who just knows how to do the right thing. If Matt does find out, Doc, though, that he received the placebo, talk about then what happens with his opportunity to get the actual vaccine.
Yeah, a really important point. Now, the timing of that has not been yet determined, but yes, at some point the trial will be unblinded, and Pfizer will tell all of the participants what they received, and those who received the placebo would then have the chance to get the actual vaccine.
All right, Doc, of course, we'll be following along every step of the way with Matt.